Hi guys, so right now I'm going to teach you how to use an external mic to your MacBook. So I'm using MacBook Air M1 chip. So just go to your settings and then sound and then input and choose your external mic. So right now I'm just using my DGM20 from Maono. This is my box. I just got it yesterday. I'm so happy. And then yeah, what you're hearing right now is from this mic. So yeah, I can do ASMR with this. And the noise cancellation is not activated yet. So if I'm gonna activate the noise cancellation, it will be sound like this. And then the light here will turn blue. So it means the noise cancellation is activated. So yeah, I'm planning to have the unbox video of this mic. Bye! Thanks for watching and I hope this one helps.